안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today, we'll prepare a stir-fried fish cake, 어묵볶음 in Korean. This is a very popular side dish that is often served. You can easily find in Korean restaurants. A Korean fish cake, eomuk, is made with pureed fish and mixed with vegetables and seasonings. They are formed into many different shapes and fried until golden. I would like to demonstrate how it's done in the restaurants using a recipe straight from the kitchen. Thinly slice the fish cakes into strips. The texture may vary depending on how thick they're cut. I want them to resemble thick noodles, so slice the fish cakes to about ½ inch thick. I like to add onions to this dish because I enjoy the crunchiness of slightly undercooked onions. Chop a few stalks of scallions to use as a garnish. Additionally, mince a few cloves of garlic. This is optional, but adds a nice kick to the dish. The flavor of the fish cakes go very well with chilies. Chop both green and red chili peppers according to your preference for spice. Adjust the spice level to your liking. Heat a large pan over medium heat. Add the vegetable oil and the fish cakes. Place the onions in the pan and stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, being careful not to brown them. Then add a little bit of water and give it a stir. Add soy sauce to the pan, then sprinkle in the brown sugar. Add mirin, ground black pepper, and garlic to the pan. Mix thoroughly. Allow the fish cakes to absorb the liquid and soften for about 3 minutes. Next, add the chopped chilies and scallions. This is corn syrup. Add a little bit of it towards the end. This will give the dish a nice shiny appearance. Quickly mix all the ingredients and add sesame oil just before turning off the heat. The previously tough fish cakes are now soft and perfectly seasoned like this. This Korean fish cake side dish pairs wonderfully with a bowl of steamed rice, and it's a perfect choice for a quick and delicious weekday night meal. Enjoy it!